shoot for this. Our first prosecutor.
Who was that? Lucio?
I don't remember.
No. Oh, Pam. Pam?
It was, I don't.
Okay.
That piece you
Yeah, because I'm trying to think, right before, before hearing. No.
No, not the master concert.
All right.
This.
34th District Court's now in session. The Honorable Judge Brown presiding.
Yeah, I have the keys out. It's just that one, once I got the audio on my phone.
Please, I thought I said sit down. Good morning.
Yeah.
This is Thurman, Peoples Thurman Charlie. Is there anything we should, anything needs to be placed on record before we can stipulations or anything like that?
There's one stipulation, Your Honor, and that is that that the defendant was 17 years of age or older at the time that these allegations occurred.
Is alleged, okay.
And Your Honor, defense will stipulate to that. I guess the only other two things, and Emily, please correct me if I'm wrong, I believe there's 2 witnesses that are sequestered at the moment.
Correct.
And if there was a request or kind of communication between us that the victim advocate could be in here while the child testifies, we certainly agree to that.
Okay.
Yes, thank
No,
you.
I would,
Thank you.
I would allow
And that's Kim Lewis, for the record.
it. So I see some of us have masks, some do not.
Do you need a mask on?
No,
Okay.
no, I don't really. I've had my shots.
So do we.
So have I.
I'm willing to
too.
take the chance that social distance and so forth. So, okay.
Oh, actually, Judge, I do have one thing. I'm sorry.
Okay.
For the portion where the child victim who's 13 testifies, I'd ask for a closed courtroom and that we don't stream it live on YouTube.
That's, I had to mention.
Given the
that
sexual
when we heard
nature.
that.
Oh, yeah, of course.
Objection.
Yeah, we don't want to put the child on YouTube.
No, that's.
I just thought
fine
about
by me.
it.
Do you, if you want the whole thing off YouTube, I could stipulate to that too.
Okay, I'm fine with that,
Um,
but it's up to the court.
There's enough of me on YouTube right
Yeah.
now, so I need to make sure.
Yeah, right, because we have a record, obviously. of court.
We'll have a record, Judge, so.
By the way, let me, before we begin here, I want to make sure
Oh, thank you, I appreciate that.
is it William Amadeo?
That's correct, Your Honor.
Okay.
Oh, and I don't think we put our appearances.
I'll read that down. I signed a stipulation a few weeks ago on something here.
Your Honor, my co-counsel's here too, we need his appearance.
Well, I don't think we put ours on.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Scott Grable.
Grib? Okay, Mr. Grib.
I've been before you before. It's been a while, though. I tried the case in front of you. It was been probably 10, 12 years ago. It was a drunk driving case. We settled in the middle of trial.
Yes. Yes.
I'm sure it's not that memorable, but I
No,
remembered you when I saw you.
You were absolutely brilliant.
See, that's why, and you know what? That's exactly why I said that. I was hoping that was the elicited response. This is starting out well. I hope it continues.
Yeah, they treat you well.
You did. I think you had some sports collectibles in your chambers, if I'm not mistaken.
I may have had the model, ship model.
I think you did. It was something I remember.
Yeah.
You have a very good memory.
Yes. And then, is it Miss Jerzewski?
No, my name is APA Emily Annal, ANNAL, and my P number is 80.
ANNAL.
Yes.
I apologize for getting the name wrong.
That's okay. Ms. Jarzewski is no longer with the office. She was the former prosecutor in this case. And my P number is 80553.
That really makes me feel old.
Well, then you should, and that's from 5 years ago, so.
Now I'm really feeling old.
So.
Well, welcome. And by the way, I mentioned ship model. I made a scale model with Titanic, and it took me 15 years to make it.
Oh, wow.
And I put it in a glass case, and if anyone even breathed on it,
I don't blame you.
Yeah, it's now at home.
And you know, I didn't touch it. I remember
I
that.
remember that.
I social distance even, even back then, I social distance from that model. I was very careful not to damage it.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. I'm very happy to be here. The Romulus Court has been I've been sitting here off, occasionally since I retired 1st of January in 2019, and they've all been very good to me. So, attorneys, staff, it's been great. So, and this is my first time here.
It's a beautiful courtroom.
Beautiful court. Yeah. Okay, so whenever you're ready.
Thank you, Your Honor. The people call Miley McVire. Oh, and I'm sorry. I'd ask for an order of mutual sequestration. I know there's no one in here, but just for formality's sake, with the exception of Lieutenant Leo Gerard from the Huron Township Police Department. Okay, Lieutenant Leo Gerard from the Huron Township Police Department.
It is my understanding that Detective Gerard will be your OIC moving forward.
Yes,
so we
that's
have no
correct.
objection to that. Okay.
Sorry, now you are.
Okay, Judge,
If you were before. All right, Miley McVire. Yes, thank you.
So this is the victim, alleged victim?
That's correct, Your Honor.